Hi, I just bought those cool lanterns from Costco, and today is the day when I'm gonna install it. So if you're interested in doing this yourself, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So this is the place where I'm gonna install it. The light is installed on 3-way switch, so both cables, both wires are white. Make sure turn off your fuses. Double check if there is no electricity going before you start your installation. I'm gonna double check if there is no current running through this. With my meter, I'm fine, there is no power. This is a double pack lantern. It comes with the light bulbs, 8-volt light bulbs, 800 lumens, supposed to work 15,000 hours. Okay, so here's how they look out of the box. It's a glass and there's nothing on the bottom. Of course, instructions, 2 light bulbs, and this is how they look from the side. They feel very solid, not really heavy. And in the back, connecting points and wires and wire connectors. On the top we have a photoelectric cell. Okay, so connection seems very easy. In the back we already have 2 connections set up and spliced together, which go to photoelectric cell. So all we have to do is connect black and white wire to the wall, and then basically this is it. And then here we have a brackets, so we need to attach this part to the wall, and this part is gonna be sticking out. So let's go and mount it on the wall. So now we can see that the bracket is installed. Make sure that you connect the ground wire. Now we have 2 screws that we can adjust the horizontal level, and that's gonna be ready for mounting of the lantern. After you level this bracket, then all you do is just tighten the screws to secure this position. Wires are connected, white, black. Now it's time to do the adjustments. Originally those bolts were kind of short, so I had to pull them out a little bit so I can get through the depth of the lantern, and then depending on your location you may have to shorten them or not so they can stick out. And also in front you can see the rubber washer that will prevent the water from getting in. And lantern comes with 2 of LED light bulbs. They look like this, they look very cool. So the last step is just to silicone around the edges so no water gets behind the lantern. And this is how it looks. Looks awesome, I love it. So now I just turn it on and it looks awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.